In this lesson, you will learn how to control the visibility of loaded data. This folder contains a load screen specification file, which will load data in Vulcan quickly. The specification loaded pit design strings, topography, ore body triangulations, and some drill holes. Everything loads to plan view, which is the most popular rotation when defining a section or creating pit strings. Without rotating your screen, it is difficult to see the ore triangulations because the topography is in the way. You can click the double blue spheres on the Windows Visibility toolbar to make the topography translucent for a better view of other data. Any triangulation you click will display with 50% translucency. You can right-click to exit translucent selection mode. Now you can better view the 3 ore bodies and drill hole traces. Click the red sphere to make the triangulation solid again. Remember to right-click to exit the visibility mode after you click the triangulation. The red sphere and double blue spheres were designed to work with triangulations. The first 3 spheres will work on triangulations or design data. The third, grey sphere, will make objects or triangulations invisible, which removes the objects from view. The second, white sphere, will make objects or triangulations shadowed. The objects are still visible, but not selectable. The first, yellow sphere, will make objects that are invisible or shadowed visible again. The Windows visibility spheres are great because you can use them while creating design data. If you are digitizing a shape and something blocks your view, you can use the visibility spheres to hide that object without exiting design mode. You can press and hold the Shift key to quickly apply a Windows visibility operation to an entire design layer. You can utilize the visibility toolbar associated with the menu options for more robust control on visibility applications. You can easily explore the different visibility functions on this toolbar with tooltips. For example, the first button is specific to design data. Next, choose what action you would like to take on the design data. Because this option is meant to work with design data, you receive a data selection panel that allows you to make design data invisible by category. This Select By panel appears often when working with design data. You will likely see it again. You can alter visibility for all objects in a layer, all loaded data, or specific loaded objects. When someone creates pit design strings with Vulcan Open Pit tools, toe and crest strings flag to separate groups. You can choose to make only the crest strings visible. Now you click an object in the group you want to make invisible, like this crest string. Vulcan asked for confirmation that you want to make all objects in the selected group invisible. If you picked the wrong object, you can try again. If the group is correct, select the group name to confirm the action. The selection panel remains, assuming you may want to select more objects to make invisible. If you are done, you can right-click to exit the visibility option, or click Cancel on this panel. Vulcan assumes you may want to perform another visibility action. You can either right-click to dismiss the panel, or click Cancel. One very useful button on this toolbar is the option to make all objects visible. You can click the first set of double spheres to make all loaded objects visible. Unlike the Windows visibility tools, the menu visibility tools will not work while you are actively digitizing new data. When you use the menu visibility tools, you will have to ensure your visibility is set before you start digitizing data. There are many visibility actions in Vulcan to explore, specifically made to enhance your workflow.